Yeah.
Two balls, one hole.
Oh, that's safe though. We can at least get it.
That was dust. Little side draft.
Side draft.
Pit maneuver. Give him the pit. Give him the pit.
Hey, you gotta hit it in line, friends. Right in the water. Where'd you go, Cole?
What's the move now, Tex?
What'd I get? What did we get? 40? 41?
We got 39, you got 40.
Tight.
Oh, yeah, you can never drive it back.
Yeah, you saw it.
I forgot all about it.
Yeah.
Where we headed?
Head to the track. Time to put on some four wheels. I'm enough of that two wheel stuff. Stay tuned.
Here we are, Premier Custom Trailer. And looks like over yonder we got some race cars. Oh yeah. I don't know the best way out there, but got some old beater cars. We got a couple heat races, main event, feature. Hopefully it gets a little nutty. Hopefully there's a little bar banging, window banging. And yeah, should be a good time. I wasn't able to find a car in time, so I'm a little upset. I don't know how official this event is, but the flyer I got looked pretty legit. A couple fans walking in, it looks like. Even got some signage, look at that. Ooh-wee.
There.
I didn't know it was gonna be this kind of production.
Areas are for the track.
production.
There's different areas.
I know, I'm a little,
If you look at the map,
little sad I'm not a
it shows
part of
the
it.
fire pit, kind of shows
Maybe
north,
another
so you
one
got the
soon.
direction where everything's at. These,
Oh yeah.
this is the map right here. The trails in blue are the viewing
Is
trails.
that a spectator
You can walk
map?
down there.
Check out the,
Not while the race
the
is
blow up
running,
ball in the
okay? Only while we're on a
Well, there's
break.
one down there that says, it says cock smoker on the side of it, and it's got a blow up on it.
They're designed.
Is this a spectator map?
Yeah.
That's gonna have you on the inside.
Dang, this is a legit old production here.
Always have your eyes
You wanna count
peeled
his laps?
what's going on.
Count laps?
Okay.
You want to count laps? Well, he's gonna.
Also, drivers, the entrance of the pits is obviously right here, so if you get into trouble, you need to come in to get. Push start.
Sorry.
Hey guys, real quick, one last thing. Okay, I'm going to allow you to go around, check out the track, 2 laps.
Get a little sight lap in. What's that? 5-horse gain?
Go around, check
Yeah.
it out. All right. And then what we'll do
You gotta get the exhaust in the back. That's the important part. Up through the back.
Yeah.
Who's the pack?
on the back side.
Who's the pack smoker?
I'm not sure. Got a hell of an exhaust though, doesn't it? Doing some air pressure adjustment, or what we got going on right here? That hold the door shut?
Yeah.
Oh, listen to Rusty's car. That thing sounds mean.
Yeah, it does.
Dude, this thing sounds pretty mean.
Oh yeah, she's
Got the 2-horse exhaust cut gain on there.
It's a V12.
V12. If you're out front, nobody's gonna see over that wing.
No.
Hey, watch your floor.
Just go out here. Is this my helmet holder? Yeah.
Are we?
Is that a Hurst shifter? He's got a Hurst shifter in there, you see it?
She's not gonna count her own car.
Oh,
Thing's stiff.
This looks like the winner though.
This is my dad's car here.
What's the thought behind that?
Air in right here.
Yep.
Air out right here.
Cooler down a little bit.
Hot air escape. I went for the hole saws and they just weren't doing it.
The only thing I can think of is that song. It's been in my head all day.
Which song?
James race car driver.
Fresh brake calipers, both sides.
Ooh, new calipers just for the race?
New pads. Side exit exhaust. Slick paint job.
Custom.
Dude, I tell you what,
the
that's
the
damn
door
nice.
turned out
That's
good.
damn nice looking.
That's a good looking door.
Give it like one lap.
Yeah.
Is this yours?
Sure is. That's a hot looking unit, I know that.
Hold on. Hold on.
What we got? Heat 1 rolling out?
Yeah. They're gonna
Where's our flag guy at?
You're lucky. Where's flag boss? Getting the flag.
There he is.
Guess who's your counter?
Oh, Jesus.
Dude, you can't get around. You swing off. Well, it wasn't the Volvo because you can't get shit.
I'm not gay either, but that's a shaft. It almost looks like Rusty's face too. Look at it. That's a bad unit.
Hey, attaboy, Rusty. You get a picture and be like, that's a bad unit right there.
That's a bad unit.
Like, and have it hidden.
Yeah, Rusty's got the Tokyo Drift wing.
The wannabe hood scoop.
I'd have probably changed out the coolant, done coolant flush, get something a little bit better in there.
I think Ross put it there.
The wannabe hood scoop is awesome.
I don't know, I like the wing 2x4s.
Straight gutted.
Oh, hi.
How are ya?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I like all the side exit exhaust on all of them.
Yeah.
Car right here. Oh, Rusty's got that one. Okay.
Rusty said he put like new brakes and everything on it.
He did?
Yeah, he put new brakes and calipers and pads, he
See,
said.
this one he's got a vice grip on the panic brake.
The panic brake.
Trimmed all the way.
These boys put some,
Trimmed all the way down.
put some work into them, I know that.
They did actually.
That's the fun kind of work though, just stripping everything down and beating the shit out of everything. Look at the sunroof.
Aerodynamic.
Oh, she's back?
Oh, she's back. What'd they do? Put a little oil in it?
Maybe. He brought his race car here last year when we had like our
Oh, he looks big dickin'. Look at the sauce out the side.
that's the hose.
I think that thing's fast right there.
I need a beer.
What do you think, Tex? Is this like the KZoo Speedway boys or what?
This is up there.
It's up
Straight
there?
up there.
This is a
Backyard.
production. This is a production. This is not what I was expecting. Look at Rusty nuts. Jerry was a race car driver. I want some paint traded.
Straight down spoiler.
Hey, turn the radio on. Let's hear the radio.
The radio work?
Oh yeah. I got a Parkway Drive CD in here.
Crank her up.
Hey, little ATV.
Speakers sound a little blown. Dude, that one's cherry, dude. Look at the tread on those tires. I don't know, dude. That green car looks weird. But Domino's down there, he was catching on number 53 until he overheated her. I'm saying.
Well, Rusty gave me his game plan here.
What's the game plan, he said?
He's going straight Eli Tomac. He's going to take her easy for the first 15 or 10 laps, 20 lap feature.
Oh,
Taking her easy, making her last, and then the last 10 he's charging to the front.
Good.
is he?
Hot.
Yeah, all right, we'll see.
The coolest day was 102 field. The coolest day. 102 field.
Look at the crowd out here,
The
boys.
sun wasn't even out either. Good that.
Where's your money on fishing?
Gonna start from the back. We're gonna go pirate flag, but wild card is definitely the old cock burner up front.
A cock burner? That's a cock smoker.
Cock smoker, same thing.
I don't know. What about Domino's boy? He
I
had
think-
he had a hot run in the heat and then he blew it up. Is that part of his?
The 153 was milking his heat race. He's just getting her warmed up. He's shaking her down a little bit.
Yeah.
So the 153 might be a sleeper.
I'm saying I'm going with the 1.5 over there. He was hot on the heels of 53. Herbie fully loaded back there.
1.5 milked his heat race, dude. 1.5 qualified into the inversion. 1.5 qualified into the
Oh, little floorboard tune-up.
You got to qualify for the inversion. That's what 153 did.
Well, old boy out front there, he's milking it a little
He's
bit.
gonna make it-
He hit the old jump over there and put the core support into the fans, and the fans weren't turning, overheated a little bit.
You know, the heat race, he had some problems, so I'm gonna give him about 5 or 7 heater laps out here, and then he's gonna
Gonna
break
run into the
and-
same
and
thing.
fall like a sack of bricks in the bottom of the ocean. So,
All right, we'll see. We'll see. I like his chance of starting out front like that. I like the
5.3 is a wheel, man.
Yeah, he is. He is. That car also completed the 24 hours of lemon, so that thing.
153.
Dude, I'm telling you, he qualified in the inversion. That's what you gotta do.
Nobody can sleep on 3
Impreza,
Impreza, though. Cool.
Oh, look at the wing coming through, dude. Look at that car lurking over there.
Straight fueled.
Looks like a duster, dude.
Doesn't it? It looks like a Dodge Daytona, dude. It looks like the Dynaco car.
All I smell is fucking burnt clutches right now.
The old Richard Petty
Zach hitting his
special. That's the old Richard Petty special.
It's
Richard Petty
the
Blue.
Dynaco car, and it's the King, Richard the King,
Yeah, Richard
Mr.
Petty.
the King.
Richard
Yeah.
Petty. The old Richard Petty Blue.
Well, we're gonna get the rolling start going, and we'll go from there.
All kids know they rolled up just in time.
Team Bubble.
Just in time for the feature. Boys! Woo!
PCT right.
Yeah! Oh, got some carnage!
Yeah, you better move that motorcycle, bud.
Yeah, I moved that thing too, getting dusty. Let's go to that back corner, dude. Somebody's getting booted over there. He great, he touched the e-brake. Oh, he's stuck. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Look at Rusty, dude.
You gotta take it out, watch. Take the slider here, I told you. You just tapped the brake, got a straight drive off.
He said he wasn't gonna touch the e-brake because they just had to cut it. This race, and they're off. Yeah, woo! Oh, shit! Rusty's method did not work.
Mythbusters! To be honest, I would not. It is just.
What was?
Marty's spraying his car. Get it ready for Craigslist.
You still running good? You did it?
Absolutely. More than I'm sure it's under warranty. We'll get it fixed.
Yeah. Yep. Had to turn it off. Got a little warm. Woo. You call the gym?
I told you.
Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake.
50 years of R&D. So much down.
I took together good. I like the last
Hey.
ramp. That was good.
Hey, Kevin, I took your advice. I used the bumper this time.
It was getting a little aggressive though.
I'm gonna fix it, Brian.
How does it feel to win, Ross?
I just want to thank Chevrolet for giving me a sweet ride, and my sponsor, Premier Custom Trailers, and just
Get in,
an opportunity
Ryan.
to be here.
Get in.
Woo! 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 Did it for Dale, baby! Woo!
We'll be right back.